Yeah, just don't put the case around it, right?
Yeah,
okay. Right, just hold the case. Right, ready, John?
Okay.
Catherine, we are. Hopefully this works. No, it ain't gonna work. Fail. Fail.
Oh,
Yeah.
Right. Cool.
Now we move on to the
Now we're moving on to the fighting
section. Moving. Second fainting. Oh, no light. Smells like eggs.
Second fainting.
Right, onto crackle.
Now into crackle.
Oh, don't be a bitch to light.
You're gonna go in the sky?
Yeah. Oh, it's gone out. No. Don't do this, man. Oh, it keeps on fucking going out. I'll go. No. Now he runs over to rocket rack. Oh my god. What? Here we go. Hopefully this works.
The screamers.
Yes.
I'm dead. Prepare your ears, guys, because this is gonna hit.
Oh no, I don't know if the other ones went. My fusing hasn't worked. I'm trying.
The whole thing's on fire.
No, good.
This thing's gonna really
There you go. Oh, all of them's going.
Oh god, it's 3 of them.
Yes!
There's 3 of them. This thing's actually gonna blow your ears off.
And there's the other one.
And here comes the last one.
Now, on the finale.
Now the finale firework.
It won't light.
Oh, it's like 8 fireworks in one. Oh god, they're all lit.
Yeah, it's good.
Oh, what is this screen like?
Nope.
What? These custom made fireworks.
Is that it?